Hey bro, I already know how to build a chatbot with AI. It is very simple. You just need to choose a vector database and you just need to chunk your data and you feed it, and AI will select what is the right answer and able to solve that. This technique is called RAG, and everyone is talking about it, and I already run with PDF QA bot, and it is working very well. And there are many solutions available. Why should I join your bootcamp just to learn the same thing? Definitely, you will have similar questions. Why should I join here? I can see the same examples in notebooks, and I can see the same examples in GitHub, Medium, YouTube, everywhere. But do you know, what will happen? You have 300 page of PDF, and how to retrieve the correct context. Do you know what will happen if your content is, adjacent to each other, and you are not able to retrieve the right content? What will happen? Your data is going to be stale. For example, immigration domain. I worked in immigration domain. Now yesterday's news is today's stale data, because the immigration policy changes over the period of time. The rules which has been fed before won't be there today. Now, how do you make sure you retrieve the accurate information? You are not retrieving the data which is 3 months old. How do you make sure you still use that data as well as this data, and make sure to build right logic out of your system? So these kind of questions actually happen in a production system. This is where the actual learning happens. Running an example is very easy, but running the example and learning the system design and the architecture along with those examples is what brings you the practical experience of building AI solutions. So we will be discussing those practical difficulties and practical problems and challenges in our bootcamp, and going over what are all the techniques you can apply to solve those practical challenges beyond simple examples. You might have already know how to build a agent or rack system, but how to build it right, how to build it in a scalable way, how to build it in a ever lasting way, or how to build it in an agile way so that you can append further on. It is not like you build for 2 months and scrape it again, build it again for another 2 months. You need to build a system that will last for, or that will be your foundation to construct on top of it. That is where the real system engineering comes in. That is where the real software engineering comes in. That is what we teach in this boot camp. So stay tuned for that, and sign up for it. You will definitely enjoy the boot camp.